Hi guys, Terry here with Good Ingestions. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that I really value knowing exactly what I'm going to be eating for breakfast every day. It cuts way down on decision fatigue. I always have the ingredients in my kitchen. It helps me get my GBOMBS in for the day. And they're breakfasts that I really look forward to eating. So today I'm going to show you how I make my go-to breakfast number 4, blueberry banana chia seed pudding. In case you missed go-to breakfasts number 1, 2, and 3, I'll post links to those below in the description box. That would be the Monday morning oatmeal, the berry bowl, and the Fuhrman 5 fruit smoothie. If you like the idea of having another easy go-to breakfast in your rotation, go ahead and like this video. And while you're at it, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's make some pudding. So this recipe is based on Dr. Fuhrman's chia seed pudding. Wait till you see how easy this is. We're going to start with, you guessed it, chia seeds. You'll need 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Old Fashioned oats. Now you don't want the instant kind, and I don't think steel cut oats would be good in this application. Just use the Old Fashioned or rolled oats. Again, that's 2 tablespoons. Then you want to flavor it with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla bean powder. You could also use vanilla extract here if you have that. Then you want to add 1/2 cup of your favorite plant-based milk. I'm using homemade almond milk today. Give that a stir until it's well combined and set a timer for 10 minutes. The oats and chia are going to soak up that almond milk and vanilla flavor. See you in 10. 10 minutes is up. Give the pudding a stir. Then we'll add in 1/2 cup of blueberries. You can use frozen or fresh blueberries here. And then you want to slice in some banana. I'm out of fresh bananas, but I always have plenty of frozen ones on hand. Now give that a stir, and you've got an easy, quick breakfast that has 2 of your GBOMBS covered, berries and seeds. Well, I hope you'll try this delicious chia seed pudding. It just doesn't get any easier or simpler than this. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Click the bell button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.